Hi, and welcome to the third video in Google CLP Ann Arbor's training series on Google applications. In this video, we're going to take a look at Gmail, a powerful email client that you get for free with your Google account. As you can see, we're at the Google homepage, logged into the Google account that we made earlier. We can access Gmail by clicking on the Gmail link in this page, or from any web browser at any page by going to www.gmail.com. Once the page loads, we're presented with a short tutorial because this is the first time we're accessing the service. While it's recommended that you view this short slideshow, we're just going to exit it and get right into the inbox. There are a number of different actions you can take to improve and customize your Gmail experience through these setups. They'll allow you to do things like choose a theme, view more tutorials, import your contacts, get it on your phone, and change your profile image. For now, we're going to close this. When you first open Gmail, you'll be presented with your inbox view. This will allow you to view all of the emails that you've received. The primary tab lists, as it says here, person-to-person conversations and messages that don't appear in other tabs. These will be things like personal emails from other people and certain communications from other businesses or the like that might have your name in them. Gmail will prioritize emails that it thinks are important by placing a star next to them. It does this based on the people involved in the email conversation and the content of the message. The social tab will be where all of your social emails that come from networking websites like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Google Plus are deposited. The promotions tab are where all of the sales promotions that come from various businesses. But don't worry, your Gmail address is safe and will only be given to those that you give it to. In the left, there is a navigation pane which will allow you to look at emails that you've starred, mail that you sent, drafts, which will automatically be saved as you type them, and more, such as important, chats, all mail, spam, and trash. This pane over here will store your contacts in it, and you'll be able to double-click on these contacts in order to start a Hangouts chat with them. We'll talk more about Hangouts in a later video. For now, we'll go back to the inbox. In the upper right, there's a gear with numerous settings. It'll do things like give you different options for display density, if you'd like to be able to cram more emails onto a single page. You can configure your inbox, view the settings, which will allow you to do things like add how phone numbers are displayed, change languages, set your image preferences, and a variety of other features. If you have any questions, you can of course contact us about this page, but in general, the default settings should work for most users. To compose an email, we'll click on the Compose button in the left. This brings up a box similar to a chat box with the message that you'd like to compose. In the To field, you can type the email address of the person that you're interested in contacting. You can add multiple email addresses here, and if you do have a list of contacts, as you type them, they will automatically try to fill the line with the email with a contact that you've already contacted before. You can add a CC line or a BCC line as well. You can also click on BCC or CC or the two to search for contacts in your address book. The subject line, of course, will be filled with your subject. In the main box, you'll be able to type the body of your email. There are formatting options down here, which will allow you to do things like change the size of your text, the font, bold, italicize, underline, change the color, change the alignment, create a numbered or bulleted list, increase indent or decrease indent, quote, and remove formatting. You can add an attachment by clicking on the paperclip. This will open up a window of your different files that you can then attach to the email. You can insert a file using Drive by clicking the Drive button. This will pull up a window of your drive and will allow you to insert Drive documents directly into the file, into the email. You can send and request money via Google Wallet. You can insert photos, you can add links, you can insert emoticons, and you can discard the draft. If in the middle of typing your draft you have to leave the machine, or for another reason close it, you can click the X and it'll save and close it. It will also close it if you close the web page, as drafts are saved as you type them. We can then go into the drafts, pull our draft back up, and click Send to send it. You can also conveniently search your email by going up to the search bar and typing in a search term. This will search all of your emails to find the ones that are relevant to the term you searched. The More tab allows you to do things like mark every email as read and create a filter that will allow you to find specific emails. The Refresh button allows you to refresh your Gmail inbox without having to reload the page, allowing you to check for new emails. That's all for now on this quick introduction to Gmail. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us, and we'll look forward to seeing you for the next video. Thanks for watching.